Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Carly and this is my first YouTube video. As you can see from the title and the thumbnail, this is going to be a video on a makeup look that's a summery makeup look, and it has also been my go-to look at the moment. Yeah, let's get started. I thought I'd do like a little disclaimer that I'm not actually like a makeup artist or anything. I just like to experiment with makeup, and so I have a lot of fun like doing my makeup and doing it different ways. So I just thought, hey, let's do a video and have fun. I know half of this is probably gonna be wrong. So first things first, I'm just going to tie my hair back so that it doesn't annoy me basically, and so that I also don't get makeup in it, because that can be pretty awkward. Okay, now that I've got my hair up and I look like a boy basically. If I stand up straight, I look like a boy, but it's alright, I'll slouch. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime my face. What I've been using lately is Urban Decay Quick Fix. Cheers, this bad boy. I'm gonna, first spray it all over my face. That always just feels so nice. No matter how many times I do it, it just like, I like the feeling. It just feels nice. Okay, so now that that's prepped my face, I'm gonna start with my brows. So I'm gonna do my brows and fill them in, and yeah. So what I'm gonna use on my brows is the Cabral by Benefit. It is probably past its use by date, but that's fine. We'll still use it, still love it, you know. So I apologize if I'm like looking this way, because I do have a mirror set up here that I can kind of look in closer. And I also will most probably look at the viewfinder more than I look at the lens, because I'm trying to make sure when I'm putting makeup on if it's like going on properly. So what I'm going to do is probably do them and then come back once they're done. Alright, so as you can see, I've done one brow and you can already see like the difference. Lately I've been doing my brows so that they look natural kind of looking. I don't really do much to them other than just kind of like fill them in and define the shape just a little bit, but not too much. And I start by drawing them on from this end and go towards the inner corner of my eye. And yeah, I do that because less products on the brush, obviously, by the time I get to the inside, so then it looks more like natural from going from dark to light, as you guys probably already know. And these brows are definitely not twins, they are definitely sisters. So yeah, now I'll go and do the other one. Okay, so like after spending like a million years on my eyebrows, I finally have finished them. They probably look shit because, weirdly enough, I never really have much issue or trouble doing my eyebrows, but for some reason right now, just like this eyebrow just wanted to be like a little shit, so it took like me forever to do them, but they're done. So the next step, now that the brows are done, and do the eyes. So we're going to put some concealer in our eyes so that we have an even base to, work with. So the concealer I'm going to use is the Maybelline Fit Me in shade 10. I just zoomed you in a bit so you can see what the hell I am doing. All of the eyeshadows that I'm basically using for this look are from Makeup Geek. The first shade we're going to use to go in the crease is Creme Brulee. We're going to grab a fluffy eyeshadow brush. What do they call them? And the one I'm using is Nude by Nature brush. Actually, all the brushes that I'm using are by Nude by Nature. We're going to grab some and then we're going to put it in the crease. The next color we're going to grab is Cupcake, also by Makeup Geek. Now we're gonna go in with the shade Bitten by Makeup Geek, and we're gonna put it in the crease, but this time we're doing something a bit different than last time. Instead of putting it all the way through, like blending it throughout the crease, we're gonna pack it in the corner and then softly blend it out. Yeah, I'll show you what I mean. So tap, tap, tap in the corner. So it kind of looks like that. And then what we're gonna do with a clean blending like brush, we're gonna blend it softly out. Basically, we want it to look more dramatic on the outside than on the inside. We're gonna do the same thing to the other eye. Once that is done, what we are going to do next is we're going to do kind of like a cut crease. Kind of do like 2/3 of the eye. I don't really know how to describe this, but I'm gonna say do about like 2/3 of the eye, like cut crease, if that makes sense. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab the shade Chickadee by Makeup Geek, and we're gonna pop that where we put the concealer. So we're gonna grab a clean makeup brush. Now, to kind of make it pop just a tiny bit more, we are going to use the highlighter by Becca in shade Champagne Pop, and we're going to pop it over where we just put the last colour. I've just gone in and cleaned it up just a tiny bit. I kind of always like doing a winged eyeliner with this look, so that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to go do it off camera because I'm shit at doing wings. I just went and did a winged eyeliner off camera because I'm like really shit at doing wings under pressure, so I just zoomed you guys back out because like so it's not as close. I haven't put any like mascara on or lashes or anything like that yet, because I kind of leave that till the last step. I don't really know why, but that's what I just always do. So now I'm going to move on to the face. The foundation that I'm going to use is Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation and concealer in the shade Linen, and I'm just gonna put her on. Now I'm gonna grab a kabuki kind of brush, is that what they call it? I don't know, this kind of brush to like blend it out. And then drag it down the neck because nobody likes a line. Then grab a beauty blender. Next step is to put some concealer on, so I'm going to put it under my eyes and on where I've got all like spots and acne that I want to hide. And I'm using the same concealer that I used on my eyes. Now grab a beauty blender and blend it out. Okay, now that that's all blended, the next thing I'm gonna do is do a bit of contour. Before I go and set my face with powder, I'm gonna use a cream contour to add some color to my cheeks and face. So I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty one of the matchstick trios, the like contour one in shade Mocha. So I'm just going to put some where my cheekbones are and where my forehead is, and then along the top, also along my nose, and then we're going to blend that out. Get some translucent powder. I'm using Nude by Nature. Put that on to set the face. So we're gonna grab some bronzer and a kabuki brush and put some bronzer to enhance where I've contoured and also to make my face more shimmery. This then enhances the summery look. So we're going to put some highlighter on and we're going to use the Balm like Mary Luminizer highlighter. And we're going to put that above where we put bronzer and contour, and down the nose on the Cupid's bow, and where my brows, underneath the brows. Okay, so yeah, this is the finished look. All I did was put some lippy on, which I used, hang on, I'll just get the products. So for the lips I used Kat Von D lip liner. I'm not sure what shade it is. The lips I also used Jeffree Star Celebrity Skin Lipstick. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel. I would love it if you did. It would actually mean the world to me. Thank you for watching this video, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Bye.